Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your cloud learning journey partner. A quick question, are you interested to earn from online as a freelancer? If the answer is yes, then this video is definitely for you. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a complete roadmap like how to become a successful freelancer and which platform you need to use, which strategies you need to follow. Well, when I first started my freelancing journey, honestly, it was very confusing to me because if you even today search online like how to become a freelancer, which platform you need to use, you're gonna get a lot of information, and it's very hard to find the real information that really works. So I tried and tried and tried, and after so many unsuccessful attempts, then I was able to finalize a proper strategy that really works. In today's video, I'm going to share that all, and after you finish today's video, then you will have a complete roadmap like how to become a successful freelancer. I have already logged into my Upwork account. So as a beginner, Upwork is a wonderful platform to start with because it's very easy to manage, easy to understand, and within few hours you can optimize your profile and you are all set to start applying for your projects. So at the very first, let's try to understand like as a freelancer how much money we can make, what's the earning potentiality, because money is one of the biggest motivation. If you are working on something and you are getting paid well, then you will feel really great, and we got bills to pay. So this is the first profile that I opened. So here, if you see the expertise is cyber security consultant, and he is charging $250 per hour. Can you imagine it? Like it's a lot of money for 1 hour. Here he completed like 8 jobs so far, and in progress 13 jobs. So in progress jobs, if you multiply the number of jobs with the hours, you can easily guess the numbers. It's pretty insane. The person already earned 90K. So all you need to do is you have to have your perfect skill set, you have to create a killer profile, and you need to start working and take it seriously. Once you have some very positive feedback from your clients, then you're all set. You can earn quite a lot of money as a freelancer. So that's the first profile, and the second profile is cybersecurity, network, cloud, and IT system senior architect and engineer. It perfectly aligns with my skill set, and this person is charging $165 per hour, and so far he has earned his total earnings are 600K, and this is insane number of money. Here for every project you can see how much money this person is making. That's quite a lot. I am pretty sure after seeing all these numbers you are really motivated to start your freelancing career. So at this point, let's focus on optimizing upper profile. So this is my profile. If you can see here, my expertise are cloud architect and cloud security expert. So I have completed 40 jobs. This is my earning, and I have worked more than 1,000 hours as a freelancer. So currently I am not focusing on freelancing because I'm busy with my job. But when I first graduated, I started my career as a freelancer. There's a reason behind it. When I first graduated, I tried to apply for jobs, and most of the jobs they require like experience. So it's very frustrating. Like as a fresh graduate, how can you have the experience, right? So at one point I gave up on my job searching and I started to work as a freelancer, and I worked like a few years as a freelancer, and at one point I realized, yes, I do have the expertise, I do have the experience now that I can talk about during my job interviews. And then I started my job hunting process, and it was quite smooth from that point. So it could be also a way to land an IT job. First get the experience as a freelancer. You have to work as a freelancer a few years, then you can apply for IT jobs once you have the expertise. All right, so here you can see I have added my certifications, because what happens, like whenever you're applying for jobs, the employer, the contractor gonna visit your profile if your cover letter stands out and he or she really wants to hire you. So this is an excellent place where you can showcase your expertise, like whatever you have mentioned in the cover letter, you should align with your description. So for that, I have first mentioned how many years of experience I do have, and I have listed all the certification that I have, and also all the technical skills that is pretty much aligning with the job description. Here I have mentioned all of it. So the next section is portfolio. So this is an excellent place where you can showcase your skill sets. So as a fresh graduate, maybe you have created your Upwork profile, but you don't have any work history. So how can you can showcase your skill set? This is the place where you can. Under portfolio, you can publish your projects, like the projects that you have worked before. So you can add all those project details, the screenshots. So this one shows that even though if you don't have a work history, you are expert in this field because you have done these projects. So it's an excellent place to showcase your skills. And after that, here comes the important part, the work history. Once you have this work history and you get some 5 stars with good reviews, you're all set, my friend. At this point, you have all the important things that are needed, and now at one point what will happen that you don't even need to apply for jobs. You're gonna get invitation from the contractor. They're gonna send you messages, hey, are you available to work on my project? And then you will look into the profile, look into the job description. If it matches with you, you can take the job. So as a freelancer, you can earn a lot of money because here you can work on multiple projects at the same time, right? So not only the money part, the other part is that you are working on multiple projects, and for each project requires different skill set. So you will learn a lot as a freelancer because you have to always learn new stuff. It's true, like it could be a little bit overwhelming to work on multiple projects, but guess what, when you are starting your journey as a freelancer, here you really need to put on the effort. You have to spend the time and energy to learn new stuff, because at the very beginning of your career, if you are spending all of this valuable time and energy to learn something new, after that it gonna pay off. It gonna set you for success. So it's really helpful to work as a freelancer as a fresh graduate. So after this work history, then here comes the important part, that is the skills. So under skills, you have to list down all your major skill sets. Like for me, I have listed Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, a little bit of Python, some cybersecurity management. So this is the keywords. So what happens, like whenever a contractor is looking for a candidate, they're gonna search with this keyword, and this keyword, if this keyword matches with your skills keyword, then your profile gonna show up, and they're gonna go through your profile and try to find out if you are the perfect candidate for their job. So now I'm gonna share one more important thing that's very, very helpful, that is certification. Just think about it, right? So there is a job posting under Upwork, and for the one job posting, there are maybe hundreds of offers, and you also applied for the job. So when employer or the contractor gonna go through all the potential candidates, how to stand out? Well, this certification gonna help you with that. So what I did whenever I applied for jobs under Upwork, under the attachment, I also added my certifications, all the certifications that are relevant to the job description. So when the employer gonna see this person is not claiming that, not only claiming that he knows all this thing, but he also has the proof. So guess what? Now your chances to get the job is way, way higher comparing to others. So that's why I have also added the certification under my profile, which is definitely a very good touch. Then you have to add your some employment history, and also if you have some other experiences that you want to add, you can add it in here. So that's how you should optimize your profile. A good question could be, as a fresh graduate or as a beginner freelancer, what should be the hourly rate? Well, at the very beginning, as we don't have that much of reviews, we don't have any track, then we have to start small. I remember when I started my Upwork profile, my hourly rate was like, I think, $10 per hour, because I really want to get started. I really want to get some projects to build some reputations. Once you have some projects, once you get some cool 5-star reviews with good recommendations, then you can change your hourly rate and you can increase it. Because first, into make sure that you have the reputation. Once you have it, then you are okay to increase your hourly rate. And this is a quick summary of my profile. So now at this point, I'm gonna help you to find out job, like how to apply for jobs. So I'm gonna look for some AWS cloud jobs. So for AWS jobs, here you can see for entry level we have 100 of entry level jobs. For intermediate we have 1,500 intermediate level jobs, and for expert level we have 1,500 expert level jobs. For a single technology, you got this many of jobs. So if you are expert in any particular technology, you can work on multiple projects and earn quite a lot of money. So whenever we're applying for a job, how should we write the offer letter? That's a very important thing to think about. So for an example, this one, if I click this one, full stack developer for cloud-based rendering platform, and it has fixed price of $10,000. Okay, so if I click in here I'm gonna see the job description. So I'm going to open in a new tab. So here you can see it has quite a big job description with all the skill set and requirement, like what kind of job we are getting hired for, and some reviews for the client. So if I really want to apply for this, first what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through this job description very well, and I'm going to mark some keywords, like the main thing that the contractor is looking for. And under my cover letter, I will try to focus on those keywords. I will ask some questions like I'm really interested in this job, and I do have some questions. This question gonna help you to stand out, because it will show that you just didn't just apply for the job. You have read the job description and you are truly genuinely interested for the job. And when you ask questions and you share that yes, you are already invested in this particular job, particular contract, then I am pretty sure you're gonna get a reply from the contractor. And also don't forget to add those certification under the attachment, which also validate your skill set for this job. So this is how you should communicate, and try to be like active. So every day please spend some time to go through the new jobs and try to find few jobs that are interested to you and apply for those jobs. And whenever you get a reply, try to answer as quickly as you can, because it shows like yes, you are very punctual. Congratulations guys for reaching this far of today's video. Now you have a complete roadmap, like how to start your freelancing career and how to earn from online as a beginner. If you ask me, is it worthy to start a career in freelancing? My answer would be an absolute yes, because this is how I started my career. At the very beginning, you have to spend your time, your energy, and you have to put a lot of effort to build your portfolio, build some good reputation. But guess what? Once you are done with the hard work, then things will get easier from that point, and you can earn way more. And at one point, you don't even have to apply for jobs. People are gonna come to you, hey, are you available for this particular job or this particular project? And this is a very good feeling. So if you guys have any questions or any doubt to start your freelancing career, please let me know in this comment section, and I'm gonna answer you in a very short period of time. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. And if you want me to cover any specific video, also let me know under this comment section and I'm gonna answer that for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos. Well, that's all for today's video. Have a great and wonderful day.